Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can search in Airtable, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, I'm going to add a couple of things here just so that I have something to work with. And as you can see, now I have some data. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click Control F, which is Command F if you're on Apple devices. And as you can see, Find in View gets shown right over here. Now, this will only work for this view. So if I typed in test 1, as you can see, it highlights test 1. If I type test, it's going to highlight all of these. And if I specify again, it's just going to specify that specific one. Now, if I just, I don't know, wrote TE, it's going to highlight them, but it's not going to, explicitly show it. But once, as you can see, I write test, it's going to show the first one, and it's going to highlight the other ones as well. And that's basically all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.